This video is a game changer and you're going to want to watch it. You see, I've been doing these vlogs a little while now, and this week I've had two different business owners write to me and say, the videos are great, Gary, you're telling us lots about how to grow your business, but you're not telling us the most important thing. How do I make more money out of my business? So today I'm going to show you. Helping make more money in less time with less stress. Making more money out of your business is actually quite simple. It's just this equation here. So the number of leads times by conversion equals sales, times average sale value multiplied by transactions equals revenue, times net margin equals profit. A lot, don't worry, I'm going to explain it in a bit more detail. Incidentally, if when you've watched this video you want to learn more about these, I suggest you head over to my LinkedIn page. I've written an article on there called The DNA of Profitability in Your Business. It's a must read for anyone who wants to make more revenue out of their business. So let's imagine that our business generates 8,000 inquiries a year. That's the number of phone calls, emails, inquiries, however they come to your business that come in. And we convert 25% of those inquiries into sales. So i.e. 1 in 4 person buys. We'd have a business that generates 2,000 sales a year. If we now multiply that by the average amount of money that they spend every time they buy, and I know some people spend a lot and some people spend a little, I get it, that's why it's called an average. Let's say in this case, it's 100, okay? And our customers buy from us twice per year. So the number of transactions we get per customer per year is 2. Our business would have a turnover of 400,000. Now let's assume our net margin is 15%. Now what I mean by net margin is the amount of money that sticks after we've paid all the bills, everything, rent, heat, light, wages, the whole lot. That would mean our business is making a profit of 60,000 per year. So that's the basic equation. If you don't know their measurements for your business, go and get them. Now the fun bit. Let's work on making them better. Now let's assume that I can improve all of these areas by 10%, and I can, because I'm good. So suddenly, instead of generating 8,000 leads, we're generating 8,800. Instead of converting 25% of our leads, we're converting 27.5% of them. Suddenly, we've got 2,420 sales. So just by improving them 2 areas by 10%, we've got a lot more sales. If our average sale value goes up to 110, because we're getting a little bit more money out of every sale, and they're buying 2.2 times per year instead of 2, instead of a £400,000 revenue, I've got a revenue of 585,300. That's massive growth in the turnover of our business just by getting a small change in all of these areas. And it gets even better because we improve our net margin too. And we get that up by 10%, so that it goes to 16.5%. Suddenly, instead of making £60,000 profit, we're making a whopping 96,300. And I can tell you, because I've done the maths, that is an impressive 68% profit increase just by improving all of these areas by 10%. And in the next 5 vlogs, I'm going to talk to you about how you can do that for your business in all of these areas. Step 1, work out what your metrics are, then we can work on improving them. So that's Gary Maskell, advice for business, making business sense, measure everything, it really works.